We just successfully installed 8 pieces of 270-watt panels here at Global Research, Akpakpava Road, in Edo State here, Benin City. That's the thunder arrestor which we installed today to avoid natural hazard like thunder and lightning. So this work was done by Norax Technologies. And this is the inverter system, the solar system, with 2 charge controllers, a battery timer, and a 2 kV inverter system with 4 batteries. Successfully installed. So this system is carrying this deep freezer. As you can see, it's on. And it's carrying the lights in this house. It's carrying the lights, the chandelier. It's carrying the lights. It's carrying the lights in the house. It's carrying the security lights. The security light too. It's carrying it. It's carrying all the lights. And carrying the light too. It's carrying the light in the house, excluding the AC. So call us for your solar installation on 0706 787 2032.